do I talk? Welcome back to Cool Bob Gaming, and today we're going to be playing Teardowns, which is a destruction physics game that you can destroy things and drive vehicles and crash stuff. This is a new map that is out as the recording is, but it's pretty cool actually. I haven't played this map at all yet, so it's a surprise for all of us. And this map is pretty cool. Why is this car so slow? This is ridiculous. I am going to grab a faster car, because this car is really slow. Oh, we also have tanks. I downloaded this tank mod that you can drive tanks. Oh, come on. It's just hitting the ground. Okay, let's try this. Okay, we can go. And we absolutely obliterated that truck. Now we can push forward. Nope, truck's out. This tank can actually explode. If you like shoot it or whatever. I'll show you guys. So you wanna basically get like back here and get like a fiery weapon. Now what weapons do I have? I have. Oh, it did that. Let's reload the gun. And I wanna stand back. Teardown is such a cool game. I just started playing it and it's already here. I do have some technology. It's truly amazing. I don't even know how they did this. And then now as you can see, yeah, it's going up. Some tanks you can actually it's actually pretty cool. Then we got the shotgun, classic shotgun. We got the spray can. Okay. We got the late blower. Oh, we got an extinguisher. Put up 5 of the cause. I think I caused fire over here. I wasn't really paying attention, but I think I caused some fire. Oh, yes, I did. Put this out. Now I need everything going down. We got this. Put out this. Wait, the lamp. Oh, this fire. Oh, it's up there. Tell me down in the comments below what would you like to see next. I have some really cool plans for the future, but this is just one of them. Oh, it's really loud. M8, Halo, dual pistols. I'm just gonna walk through here. Clear path. Oh, there's boats! What can we use? What's glare? Oh, what is that? Oh, can I crisp up some chairs too? Oh, I can crisp up chairs! Found people, hold on! Can I crisp block? No, you just melted. Interesting. Crispy keeps! Yeah, I'm not sure if that works. Fine, if it doesn't work, I'll hit it with a approach. What's gonna happen? Oh, it's the wheel of the truck is the only thing left. Oh my goodness. Wait. They just crisped up the whole town. Like, literally. Well, this map is certainly fun to play around with. What's this over here? We got oil mining, we got towers, a tower that's, poor lonely tower that's left. Are these explosives? Oh, they're not explosive? Oh, that's explosive. I can tell by looking at it. Explosive. What's this? Pipe. Tower, anything explosive on you? No. This? No. This? No. Actually, it's probably not the smartest idea. Yeah, not close to things that look like they explode. Now, we had some liquid to pour out of that one. Oh, air. I think that's air. Oh, that sounded a bit gross. I really don't see anything. Nothing explosive in this whole area. I take that back. There is explosive. Where's the more explosive, though? That was tiny explosive. Actually, where's the door explosive? Oh. And explosion. And explosion. There we go. Pulls down. Collapse. Collapse. There we go. More pulls down. Weird destroying this town. Oh, what's this? That's powerful. Okay. What's this? I don't know. Is that a Pokeball? I don't know. Speaking of Pokemon, be sure to check out Pokemon Rainbow. It's my friend's channel, and she does cool Pokemon opening and stuff. So make sure to check her out and to like and subscribe this video. Well, oh, the tank. Can you drive the tank still even after it exploded? No, we can't drive the tank. We're gonna spawn. What's this? Oh, van. I guess we can drive around town, act like everything's totally normal. They have horns? That's so cool. Well, these roads are horribly made. Like, there's so many bumps. Although I'm pretty sure in real life they have that thing. I don't know. I don't know what that looks like. I know they have exotic plants and stuff, but and lots of bumps. Can you make this turn? Hold on, probably actually more driving. I could drive it. Garbage bags. We had some. Great. No, broke the car. Oh. I am really bad at driving. Wait, the bumpers can hang on. Well, that didn't last very long. This is great. Oh, it's a junker. Oh, look! Tell me down in the comments below what you think that car is. It kind of looks like a supercar, but then kind of doesn't. Tell me in the comments below what you think that car is. Then we should have... Ooh, cars. Off-road unarmed. Ooh. Are these explosive? Oh, goodness. I forgot to put the mess over here. On the side of town, I've seen some more. We're just gonna drive away from this side of town that has some more. Oh, is there a bakery? There's a bakery. Is that a bakery? Oh, it's a food market. I think this is where you spawn in the map, right? I'm pretty sure. Knocked on the barricades. What are these? Is that pizza? It looks like bowls. I don't know what's in it. We got some veggie. Why did nobody use the veggie car? No, it's fully destructible. The veggie cart's fully destructible. I'm gonna obliterate this veggie cart. No traces left of the veggie cart. Oh, why is there a veggie cart? No veggie cart. We got some of this. Oh, what's this? Oh, I think I destroyed noodles. I think this is an ice cream machine. Oh, where did I put the ice cream machine? There we go. No ice cream machine. What's in the house? Why is it so dark in this house? Oh, this computer! Okay. Does it work? This is the real question. No, it doesn't. Interesting. Oh, dump truck. Let's ram into this car. Try this. What do we want to do next? Well, this episode of Teardown has been really fun, guys. We got seen some cool maps, some cool stuff and see you next time, guys.